Panda, say I love you.
Berry, Berry.
Oh no!
Misty, blink once if you're Hitler. Oh my god!
Hi, agemasu.
Hey, I shoved that ball down my pants. Freeze!
Oh, buddy.
Don't you yell at your mother. You think that's funny?
It's the motherfucking Eagle Double G.
Snoop Dogg!
My reaction whenever I lose my phone.
Oh no!
That's exactly how. I mean, they've been doing that all morning.
You want a treat? Yes. Yes. You want one? Yes.
You got this, Travis. Make him wait for it. Boom.
Are you mad at me? No.
Come with me. I will show you how to become an Easter squirrel.
It is an honor to be an Easter squirrel! I would like to thank my mother and my father.
Spike loves his new pants.
Lexi.
Lexi!
How do you feel about the cone in your head? What's up?
I'm going to eat you!
Hey, you guys hungry? Are you guys hungry? Yes or no? I need to know now because I'm starving.
Yeah, go ahead, pull it through. Thanks, bud.
Tucker, do it for the vine. Do it for the vine. Do it for the vine. High five.
On all levels except physical, I am a wolf.
Quelle surprise la seconde boulangerie du jour réserve-t-elle à notre jury?
Stick him up. Bang!
Quincy, we are going on a road trip. Woo! Yes, absolutely. Why don't you guys laugh about it?
What? Are you hungry?
Max, come here. Come here, boy.
Bailey, can I have my Skittles back? Come on, those are mine. Hey, pussy.
It has Tom Cruise in it. It's basically a next soldier. Anyway.
Daisy! Hi! Oh god.
Where's the catnip?
Thank you very much for giving me these delicious walnuts. I like them very much. You are a nice person. I will be sure to come back tomorrow to get some more walnuts. You are my favorite person in the neighborhood.
Charlie, you got the babies? No, be nice to the babies, Charlie. Ha! Charlie!
Shut up.
Ready? Ready? Okay. Why are you so cute? Speak. Sure.
Look at all those chickens.
Kaiser. Smile. Show me your smile. Smile. Oh, so handsome.